Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will demonstrate how to make different types of Dreamcatcher. So at first we are using a blue color paper and we are making some petals of the flower. Next we are using a yellow color paper to make the middle part of the flower. After making the flower, we'll make some triangular shape as shown in the video and we'll use a thread and we'll put inside it. After doing that, we will hang it with the circular shape paper, and next to decorate that circular shape paper we will use the flowers. Now you can see the Dreamcatcher is ready. Next we are using a pink color paper and we have cutted it into a circular shape and we have colored it into two colors, and you can see how we are making the flower, and this is the first petal and we are merging other petals with it and the flower is ready. Now we will put a toothpick and we'll give the cut. Next we will cut a circular shape cardboard and we'll paste the flowers to it. You can see this is ready now. Next we have cutted paper into a moon shape and we have pasted some flowers to it, and next we are preparing some hangings and you can see how beautiful it is looking now. Now again we are using a blue color thread and we have given a shape to it and we are cutting it to look like a flower. Now we will hang it with each other and we'll paste it with the paper. You can see we are using our wire to make a circular shape Dreamcatcher and we have rolled it with the thread. Now we will hang it with all the flowers we have made and you can see how beautiful and good it is looking now. Now again we are using some motis and we are pasting it to the circular shape cardboard and we have cutted a yellow color paper into the shape of a leaf, and now we are using a thread to make it look more beautiful. Next we are using a purple color paper to make it look like a leaf. Next we will roll it and we'll use another paper and put it inside it. Next we'll cut a cardboard into a semicircle and we'll paste the flowers to it, and next we will use a white color paper and we'll cut it into the flower shape as shown in the video. Next we will make some more of it and we'll paste it with each other. You can see this is ready now, and for sure we will make some hangings and we'll paste the flowers to it, and you can see this is ready now. Now we are using some cardboard and we have cutted it into a square shape. Now we will draw some designs into it, and next of course we will make some hanging. We have made a scenery and you can see how good it is looking now. Now again we are using a red color circular shape paper and we have given some folds to it and we have made a flower shape. You can see after giving the shape we will paste some more of it with each other, and now it will look like a flower. Next we will make some hangings and we'll paste it with each other. You can see this is ready now. Thank you very much for watching the video.